Interview mo na.
Mr. Seagull, ano ang yung English? What is your thought that you were able to join?
Kinain mo yung bosses mo, pwede.
What?
Kinain mo yung boss ko.
What is your thought that you joined the international team?
Very good. Very good.
Sino ba ang who is your teammates? Are they very trustworthy?
Ako.
Who is this guy? Please introduce this guy. Hey.
Loves music. I listen to anime and listens to and watches music.
Will.
And that was the random facts. Even though we don't know the member of the other guy's name, and we all know that his name is Alduin, also known as Duin Sanity, playing the jungle type and courier type also. He delivers the items, and that's all for the game, the whole game.
Say hi to your fans, Duin Sanity. How about you, Mr. Seagull? What can you say? Any shoutouts?
Andy Manapat. Andrea Manapat.
This will be posted, guys.
On YouTube, on Brian Tombo's YouTube channel. Check it out later, and you'll win a free straw.
No, it's not done yet.
It's not done. Okay. Tell me more about yourself, guy. Tell me more about Dean.
Oh, Dean, it's fun. It's very. I feel very happy to join this sleepover at Brian's house, and you know the treat of Alduin, Crushers, and Twister.
Look at these things.
See this?
Hey, Mark.
Very fine. Okay. I feel very lucky to be here today, to be sleeping at Brian's house tonight. I feel very sad for those who can come, like Dean, like my friend there, because there's someone chatting. I feel very sad, and yeah, it's fun. It's very sad. It's very sad.
Very good, guys. Anything more to say?
Uy, may nakikipag-chat. May lag ako. May nakikipag-chat.
Ilan ping mo?
733. Uy, low ping na ako, 300.
What is this? Right? Totoo ba to?
Yes, from the recent studies of his chat history, we see that over 100% of the games he plays, his most pronounced sentence is nagchat sila.
Okay, bro.
Ano?
Ilong ka. Inokos niya yung ilong mo.
Okay, so that's it for this interview,
No,
guys.
no.
Oh, okay, okay.
No. May
Oh.
pasabog pa siya.
May pasabog ba? Okay.
Boom.
Okay.
Boom.
Bye.
The assistant, add E. No, add E. No, it's inverted. Reverse it. No, not like that. No, use your other hand. There.
Will. Last words by the master, guys. Will.
Tae na.
Goodbye.